My name's Fiona with WTI, and if you've ever wanted to make your own unique resin jewelry, then the Roxy Epoxy jewelry making kit is perfect for you. The kit comes with absolutely everything you could possibly need to make your own unique resin jewelry, from fun molds to gears and sparkles and even some dried flowers. The first step is to use the provided finger covers and mix 1 part hardener and 1 part resin together for the amount that you need. This next part is super fun. You get to design your own jewelry. For my first one, I used a pressed flower and some pink sparkles. And for this next one, I used some gears and some gold sparkles, but the possibilities are endless. Then I took my already mixed resin mixture and I filled up both of the molds that I had prepared. Finally, after about 18 hours, the resin is hardened and it's time to remove your new jewelry pieces. As you can see, the molds are super easy to have them pop right out. Then using the provided necklace string, hoops, and keychain, I was able to assemble everything and make these 2 really fun pieces. So all in all, I think the instructions were really clear and easy to follow, and that this kit is perfect for any beginner that wants to make unique, one-of-a-kind jewelry. And that's just my point of view.